Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars accounts. First, download Brawl Stars from your device's app store, then launch the game. Upon opening, you will be prompted to either link an existing Supercell ID or create a new one. Choose to create a new Supercell ID, providing an active email address and following the simple on-screen instructions. This is your essential first step for safe gameplay. Linking your account to Supercell ID offers many advantages, most importantly safeguarding all your game progress. This connection ensures your hard-earned brawlers and trophies are never lost, even if you change devices. Furthermore, a Supercell ID enables you to easily manage multiple accounts, a feature we will discuss next. Always keep your recovery codes confidential for maximum security. To manage multiple Brawl Stars accounts, simply create a new Supercell ID for each additional profile you wish to play. This means using a distinct email address for every unique account you set up. You can then conveniently switch between these accounts within the Brawl Stars settings, providing you the flexibility to enjoy different game experiences or play with friends on new profiles. Protecting your Brawl Stars account is crucial. Never share your Supercell ID or password with anyone, regardless of their promises. Engaging in the buying, selling, or trading of accounts is strictly against the game's terms of service and can result in a permanent ban. Always prioritize safe and legitimate methods of play to ensure your gaming experience remains secure and enjoyable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.